How to add infant on Delta Airlines. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you how to add infant on Delta Airlines. If you don't know how to do this, ensure you watch this video till the end. The first thing you need to do is to log on to Delta Airlines website using your PC, and once you're logged in, this is the interface you're gonna get. On the top left corner of your screen you see the Delta logo, and close to it you see the book option, you see the check-in option, you see my trips option, you see the flight status option, you see the travel info, you see the sky miles, you see the need help option. Also at the top right corner you see the sign up. So if you've not signed up, you can sign up. You also see the login option, you can log in, and you also see the notification icon and the search icon. So you can scroll down the page to see the one that just to have an overview of what Delta Airlines is all about. Delta Airlines is basically about airline travels. If you want to travel using the airplane or the airplane, can just use Delta Airlines. So back to the question, how to add infant or Delta Airlines. All you need to do is to go back to the need help option that is at the upper part of your screen, just after the miles option and before the sign up option. You drag your cursor to the need help, and the drop down will be displayed on your screen where you have several options. Here you see infant and you see child and infant travels. Just check it closely, and once you see infant and child travels, you click on it. Since you want to know how to add infant on Delta Airlines, you patiently wait for the page to load. Here you can see already it's boldly written here, children and infant travel. So make sure you read the instructions here, because here on this page you'll be helped to take families on flights, whether a family is traveling within or outside the United States, or your child is traveling as an unaccompanied minor. So the child should be 2 years of age rather, or older. So you can reach out to the Delta reservation here. I can see it's written in blue. You can reach out to them if you really want to do that. You can reach out to review below or go to my trip. So if you don't want to do any of that, you can just keep scrolling down. So here, a 2-year-old child on adult lap, and you have the option of a 2-year-old child on adult lap. You have the option of 2-year-old. You also see the option of 2-year-old sitting on their own. So if you want a 2-year-old infant to sit on their own, no problem. Then if you want, just go through it thoroughly, so you see the one that suits you, and once you're done with that, you see the option to just go ahead to add the child. So once you're done with that, it has automatically been done. You have automatically added your infant on Delta Airlines. So it's very simple, and you can try it out. So this is simply how to add infant or Delta Airlines. Ensure you read the instructions thoroughly so that you make the right decision. Okay, thank you.